Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a database and table in MySQL using XAMPP. Okay, let's start it. At first, open your XAMPP control panel and click on the start button on Apache and MySQL. You guys see that the Apache is running and MySQL is also running. Just minimizing the XAMPP control panel button and open a browser and type localhost php myadmin. Okay, you can see that the database list as I marked here. Now just click on the new button to create a database. Okay, I am creating a database named student. Then click on the create button. Here you can see the student database here. Now I am creating a table. I am just typing here student info, as this is my table of the student. You can increase or decrease the number of columns here. I just kept 4 and then click on the go button. You can see that the field name of my 4 column here. Now I am setting the 4 field name. First of all, I am typing ID and its type is integer. I just put value 10. Scroll the window and my ID is not null and it is primary key. Then select button on go. Just tick on the auto increment field. Okay, now I am typing name in the second column. Its type is var character. I am just giving value to 50. In the third field, I am just typing role. Its type is also integer. And the value is here 5. Okay, in the last field column I just type subject. Its type is varchar and the value of this field is 50 here. Okay, all the field has been set. You can see it. Now click on the save button. You see the structure of my student info table: ID, name, role, subject. You can change or drop this field as you want. Now you can, if you need one or more column, then you can increase or decrease the column number. I just add here 1 column. Click on the go button. You can see that the 1 column field list here. I just put the field name class, its type is varchar and the value 20. Click on the save button. You can see that the table student info has been ordered successfully. Okay, ID, name, role, subject, class. Class is finally added. You can see the structure, ID, name, role, subject, class. Okay, it's the time to insert value to the column. Just click on the insert button. I just leave the ID field blank as it is my primary key and also auto increment. I set the name Smith, role 50, subject mathematics, and class 10. Okay, just click on the go button. Okay, you see that one row inserted. Now click on the browse button. You can see that all the values has been inserted. ID value is 1, name is Smith, role is 15, subject mathematics, and class 10. Thanks for watching.